No shooting today. Muna no just bother my life. I don shoot round 1, round 2, round 3 to round 130. No money. See my baby don grow full. I no get money sheba. I want to go and work. No shooting, no comedy. Now it's time for work. I want to work.
I don't shoot this
I don't direct anybody.
Now you want to give up. You never pay you. I can't go shoot them.
I dey go. You get shoe man so for you.
Okay, man, we shoot comedy now.
Naira big cost my baby.
Okay, who was direct us today? Aboki. Up. Aboki, how far now?
I'm fine, sir. I dey look money. I'm looking for money.
Aboki, I beg you, get this shoe for me. I want carry am go charge the
worry.
money shall.
Say na to carry trade put for needle na pass only.
So I'm very fine and then polish am for me.
You no go sit down look my work now. You go stand up face, huh? Just stand up. Go inside. I go walk am.
No problem. Make sure you do the shoe well. You walk the shoe well.
I go do am for you. Go smile.
Make I take something inside before I go come out. You don't finish am.
I go finish am.
Aboki don finish.
Oga, I never finish am o.
Look, I dey come back. Before I go come back, make sure say you don finish am o.
I go do am.
Where the shoe I say make you repair for me now? You can't dey do another thing.
Let me punish myself. Allow me to punish myself.
Where the shoe?
Oh my God! Just allow me to punish myself. I say make I punish myself before you will come punish me. I don't spoil your shoe.
Shoe wey I say make you repair for me na him wey you do like this.
Hello, Abo. Hello. I no dey do shoe. I dey do comedy. I thank you very much for watching that Follow Live Nation Entertainment comedy video. See you on Monday. See you on Friday. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Book us for any kind of event with the number shown on your screen. Mind you, don't do what you've not been doing before. But you can try it and see.